When installing your eSpring below the counter, you need an electrical outlet below the countertop and a hole drilled in your countertop near the sink. You will also need to modify your cold water line. Hire a professional if you're uncomfortable doing this type of installation. First, let's install the eSpring auxiliary faucet. Start by marking the supplied tubing to ensure proper installation. Push the auxiliary faucet spout into the main faucet body. Remove the wing nut, the metal washer, and one of the rubber washers from the faucet body. Keep the other rubber washer with the faucet body as you feed the tubes and the stem of the faucet through the installation hole near the sink. Have a helper hold the upper part of the faucet body. Reach up from below to slide the rubber and metal washers in position, and then reinstall the lower wing nut. When the faucet is in the desired orientation, tighten the wing nut to secure it. Now it's time to install the unit itself. With the auxiliary faucet installed, you can now move on to the eSpring water purifier under the counter. Choose the location for your eSpring under the sink. Place the unit there, upside down on a cloth. Leave the tubing uncut so you can access the unit for filter changes and maintenance. Insert the green and blue tubes into their proper locations, making sure to push them in fully to the marks or even slightly past the marks. Attach the red tubing to the cold water supply with the faucet connector. Plug the power adapter into its DC jack, but do not plug the adapter into the electrical outlet yet. Set the unit upright and open the cold water supply valve. Then turn the eSpring auxiliary faucet on to start water flowing through the water purifier. Let the water flow for about 5 minutes to saturate the filter and flush out any air and carbon dust. Check for leaks while the water is flowing. If the water is not running clear after 5 minutes, let it flow for another 5 minutes. Turn off the eSpring auxiliary faucet and then plug the unit into the below-sink electrical outlet. For best results, please ensure your unit will receive uninterrupted power. The Amway Healthy Home app connection video shows how to pair your eSpring with the app and discover the unit's many smart features. Your new eSpring water purifier is now set up and ready to use.